Hello everyone, very nice pattern, easy for the beginners. 24 stitches. This one only 3 stitch pattern and 1 edge stitch extra both sides and multiple of 3 stitches. Have a look. First row is done, 2 knit and 1 purl. First row is done, and second row we will do the same again. 1 purl, 1 edge stitch, slip on, 1 purl stitch, and 2 knit stitches, 2 knit, 1 purl. This is the only pattern stitches. 2 knit, 1 purl all the way in this row like that. And then the next row I will show you. This is the second row, first row already done. Third row is the back row. This pattern starts from the back row. Row 1 is like that, and now we are on the third because back row is always the same. First one edge stitch, just slip on, then next one 1 knit and 2 purl, 1 knit, 2 purl, 1 knit, 2 purl, all the way like that. And then I show you in the next row. Finish this row like that. This is the third row. Fourth row, this one look like that. 2 knit, 1 purl, 4 rows like that. 3 rows, fourth one 1 purl, and now you can see only this one 2 stitch pattern. Leave the 2 stitches, put the needle here after this one here, and knit 1. See this one, then knit the next 2 stitches together. It's a bit hard. See this one. See, this is the stitch here. This is the only pattern. Have a look again. 1 purl, 1, 2, and here in this one next stitch put the needle here and knit 1, then knit the next stitch. See, this one is the pattern. Purl, knit the next one and knit the 2 stitches together. So this is the only pattern we are going to do like that, and I will finish the whole. I will look now. The pattern look like that. It's very easy pattern. After now we will go on the back row. Back row is always the same. 1 edge stitch, 1 knit, 2 purl, 1 knit and 2 purl, and then next row 1 purl and 2 knit, and then third row back row, and the fourth one you put the pattern again. So that's very easy pattern and very easy for the beginners. Have a look. Thanks for watching.